Hi, Vanakkam, Namaste, and welcome to Problem Solving for Effective Mathematics Teaching and Learning. Lesson 2. I am Jayanti from Experiential Math Solutions. In Lesson 1, we learned the significance of problem solving and how to introduce simple problem solving activities to your kids. This is going to be, the lesson 2 is going to be an extension of that. Recently, we celebrated 74th Independence Day for India. So I have chosen 74 as the key number, the significant number, and made some questions based on that. So for young kids or primary 3, 4, you can use just multiplication and subtraction, addition, etc. But for other students, if they have learned power or percentage or primary numbers, you can use them as well. Once students master it, you can also ask them to prepare their own questions. Students do not like repetitive questions. So instead of asking them to do just additions, we can give few numbers. Like here I have made 9 two-digit numbers, and I have asked them to choose 2 or more numbers so that their sum is closer to 100. I have given a range 95 to 105, and also I have asked them to choose any number so that the sum is exactly 100. Now, first part is a little bit easier. Say, for example, 46 plus 41 is 97. Students can easily think of those. And also 46 plus 55. But when they come to ask them to find as many as possible, then 25 plus 32, if they take, it's only 57. Then they have to think and choose which number they can add so that it will be closer to 100 and within that range 95 to 105. So in this process, we ask them to do the addition, but at the same time, we also make them think. We often ask the students some tables, but instead of giving them tables, we can ask them, if P times P is equal to QP, find the values of P and Q. Students have to think what times what, but in the answer, it will also have the same unit digit. They can come up 5 times 5 is equal to 25, but there is one more solution for this question. So they have to think again, what is the other solution? Similarly, mm times mm is equal to m and m. They can think and get the answer. So here it's not just mere recalling from memory. I want to go through this question 5a plus 1a is equal to a4. So to get 4, what plus what is equal to 4? So students may think it can be 2. But if it is 2, can it be a can be 2? 5 plus 1 cannot be 2. So when the students give you the answer, or when your kids give you the answer, ask them to verbalize the thinking process, why you chose this number. Why not? 2 plus 2 is also, if they give you 57 plus 17, a is equal to 7, then you ask them 2 plus 2 is also 4. Then they have to say that why a cannot be 2. So this process is called metacognition. They think about the thinking. This is one of my favorite questions. Half plus half is equal to whole. Substitute each letter with a single digit positive integer so that the statement is true. Each letter should be given different value. Only one letter can be given 0 value. So they have to choose for which letter they can give 0. Again, here it's not just if you give 4-digit addition, they can do it in no time. But here it will take more time, and even primary 6, 7, secondary 1 and all, they have to, they will find it a little bit difficult to do these kind of questions because it involves thinking. Again, after they finish, do not just check the answer. Something plus something is equal to that, not just the addition value. Check with the students to verbalize their thinking process. Which one you chose first, for which letter you chose the value first, why, all these questions you can ask them. So this kind of questions really enhance students' thinking skills. Problem solving involves a lot of pattern finding. Here, what is the last digit of 9 to the power of 2020? 2020. It's not, we are not asking to find the value. Students may think, wow, like that. But it's not so difficult, challenging question. They have to find the pattern. Now 9 to the power of 1 is 9. 9 squared is 81. 9 cube is, no need to multiply, we have to find only the last digit. So 1 times 9 is 9. 9 to the power of 4 is, the last digit of 9 cube is 9. So 9 times 9, the last digit will be 1. Now we can see the pattern. If it is odd number, it ends with 9. If it is, the power is even, it ends with, the last digit ends with 1. When the power is odd, the last digit is 9. When the power is even, the last digit is 1. So using this, they can easily find what will be the last digit of 9 to the power of 2020. Similarly, you can ask them to find for 4 to the power of 2020. During this difficult period, there are a number of online resources which are available for free. Search for them, and learning never stops at school. Keep your kids learn at home. I'll come back with more resources and more ideas in my lesson 3. Please subscribe our channel, and thank you. Bye for now. This is Jayanti from Experiential Math Solutions.